Right, here we go again. Got another guitar that I've ordered. I've sold a few lately, so ordered another one. Got the NF53 the other week. Really like it, but I was a bit unsure whether to get that or the Chapman SAR63, the Chris Robertson signature from Chapman Guitars, as Chris is one of my favourite players. And it is a little bit more expensive, but I did put my name down for the alert list when the Slate Grey one came in stock, the new one, as it's the colour wasn't really a fan of the white and gold, although it did look very nice. So anyway, I bit the bullet. Like I say, I sold quite a bit of gear lately, a couple of amps for 4 guitars, so rather than dwindle the money away on things that are life stuff, I guess, decided to buy this. So it's come today. Here it is in the box. So we're just going to whip through a little unboxing and then do some sounds, see what it sounds like. We'll try and get a decent little video of it. Try and get the GoPro set up somewhere where it's easy to see. So I think we'll go on top of the speaker again, somewhere like that, and we'll get it on here and we'll see. Ignore my shorts. Alright, let's see, we've got it on the bench. I think that should be okay. Get the handy pick for undoing what I need to undo. 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like it's been maybe taped up and then untaped and then retaped by the guitar tech, which is where I got it from. Packing slip, dates on my address. Oh, like a mustardy coloured gig bag. Couple of stickers in the box. Well, 3 stickers and a pick. Bit more than you get when you get something from Anderton's. Maybe the Anderton's guys should send some pics and some stickers out with their stuff. Right, let's have a look in here first. Oh, sticker, some gel. What are these? Oh, look like, are they like strap buttons? Looks like some Allen keys. And what are these? Oh yeah, the other half of the strap button. So that must mean it's got, who makes them ones? Scholler, is it? Scholler strap locks on it. That's pretty handy because I've already got some of them on one of my other guitar straps. That's that. Looks like a cleaning cloth and a Chapman Guitars little badge. Yeah, definitely a Chapman cleaning cloth. What's this? Setup. Oh, it doesn't look like it's been filled in. Quality checked. So I'll not get that out either. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I'll put them stickers in there and that pick in there. Stick them back in. Decent sized pocket. Stick them back in there as well. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh yes. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Get rid of the bag. Beautiful. Through body. Nice. It's a 3-piece neck. shot tuners, are they? Very nice. Frets look really very nicely polished. No sharps. Really good. See what the action's set like, pretty low. A little bit of relief in the neck. Very, very small amount of relief in the neck. Right, let's see what she sounds like. See what she sounds like, shall we? So I'm going to run into my Spark cab. See if we can get it to sound okay. Turn it on first, that would help, wouldn't it? And connect up the app. Tuner on first. Just tune her up. I'm tuning up in drop D half step down, so that's C sharp, C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp. So I have got a Blackstone Cherry preset on here, which is a Friedman-esque. really good. Sounds good. Set up good. Yeah, man. Love it. Nice matte finish. Can't see any runs anywhere. Bit of paint on. Bit of paint on the F hole there. That's good. Really good. Well done Chapman guitars, well done Chris Robertson. Nice rolled edges. Frets feel lovely. Yeah man, I like it. Super cool. Super duper. That's gonna be my, I think, my most played for now. So yeah, that was just the Chapman SAR63 or the Sarge. Super cool. Love the slate grey and gold, looks really good. Through the positive grid too, with the cab. Yeah, sweet, cool new guitar. Probably see it a lot. Looks really good.